We're about to go into the last official weekend of October as we get ready for the extended Halloween weekend. October 27th, 2023. Tyler Hayes here, 2118. Coming to you from Ladysmith along the Canadian Nationals. Superior Sub Main at milepost 353.17 with the video lined up for you. Not much of the way of activity at this time, as there's no X-City Rail ES44 that's in Ladysmith Yard. I have a feeling it might be the 3935 that was along for the ride when the PTC capable X-City Rail of the 2787. Seeing a lead on that, so that's there. Also, that substituted for the 519 yesterday had the return of the 3868 again, as that was the one that came back Longhood Ford with sand load and the few liquid propane tank empties that showed up to West Ladysmith during the late morning yesterday. So now there it was on standby along with the X-City Rail, even though they're not coupled together. Await their new assignment. One of the CNMOW personnel were on scene at the north end of Ladysmith Yard. That was by the motive power before it needed its departure to finish what it was doing. About a minute after that, signals are set for northbound that's on the way, which is northbound to show. As you can see, off to the left of shot, there's a relay crossing bungalow there on top of a gooseneck trailer by the look of it. Not sure if that might be a new one that's ready for installation, or it could be one that was formerly in service before the new, larger crossing bungalow replaced that. Kind of hard to really say though, but that's currently where that stands. Because I'm not going to take a guess and say that it's one of those hot bearing detector relay bungalows there. I have high doubts about that. If only I had a better look. At least not right now. Also behind me, which is not in this view at the moment, I was surprised to see that the General Electric searchlight has made the return, as it is currently running, as it is across the street right at the Minor Theater here in Ladysmith, off of Minor Avenue West, that leads into the Minor Plaza. I have to say, I'm just so glad that made a comeback, and we'll have a look at that in just a few moments. And then afterward, we'll have a look at our northbound that is on the way. Before we get that far, I was also going to mention that there was also a couple of classic wagons that were also at the theater as well. One of them, I would say, is probably one of those Cadillac hearses. Boy, that one's really got a nice fog machine going on with a green light inside on the back end of that. But boy, I have to say, that is crazy. And there was also that classic ambulance that was also there too. I think that was also a Cadillac. I say, it's really quite a sight. Anyway, northbound is here. Let's check them out on the roll by. Alright, we have the arrival of the northbound Woodtick of the L563 81 of the 27th here. So here we have for the roll bys. We'll lean back and get them. .5426 to make a comeback here. And it seems like she's not alone. 5428. Back. Saying that she's still with the propane tank loads. DROX 32513. And the train device is going. How about that? The return of my first C6M rebuild of the 3308 is in tow. And here's our General Electric searchlight. So you can see that's running here because I know we got this before, likely a year ago. And look at that. Right into the mid-level cloud scene here. Here's what it looks like further up, right by the theater, right at the Minor Plaza. And you can see the fog that was from off the back of that old Cadillac hearse. We're gonna see, folks, how cool is that? So that will do it for this video at Ladysmith. Hope you have a great night, have a great weekend. I'll see you next time, and I hope I will see you along the main line. Taylor Hayes out.